When I was bemoaning passing on the Grand Seiko SBGH 269, a limited edition watch which really spoke to me, a work friend and fellow collector demanded that I should not waste my money on a Seiko, conflating Grand Seiko with the mass market Seiko brand. People like to tell others what to do, how to act, what to like and dislike. And that is true in the world of watches, maybe even more so than elsewhere. I do find that I dislike some watches and watch styles which others praise. Nonetheless, just because I may not like a specific watch design is not a reason for me not to present a watch to you. So when the opportunity to review a true homage to the classic turtle style watch, I didn't hesitate. This is the Detroit Mint Coretta Turtle. I've never been a big fan of the turtle case style. I tried one many months ago and confirmed my taste. However, with this Detroit Mint Coretta Turtle, I'm actually trying a watch that is a faithful homage of the 1970s Seiko 6105, better known as the Captain Willard watch. Detroit Mint actually touts it as a homage to the Captain Willard. It has the same case design, virtually the same case dimensions, the same dial attributes, hand and bezel design, but has updated components. Putting aside its association with the Apocalypse Now movie where Martin Sheen plays Captain Willard, you will either love or hate this watch. This watch was lent to me on this Detroit Mint bracelet. I don't like the bracelet. It feels cheap and has protruding end links. So I swapped in this rubber waffle strap, which is more appropriate. I must say that it does feel comfortable on the wrist, using either the bracelet or this rubber strap, although it is certainly lighter on the rubber strap. The dark green sunburst dial and green bezel is attractive, though in certain light it will look gray. In either case, it is a subdued color so as not to draw attention as one would want for a watch intended for the military. Given the 44mm diameter, the dial is relatively small, taking up only 30mm. The bezel and 2mm more of the case take up the rest of the diameter. To me, a turtle-style case looks like someone squashed a dive watch in a hydraulic press, causing the case bottom to pancake outwards. It makes the dial appear abnormally small. However, I freely admit that many love this watch style, furthered by its historic and movie connections. The dial itself is nicely executed. Sunburst pattern with lume-filled applied indices with trim that matches the 3 o'clock date window. Lume-filled sword hands to match, and this traffic light lume second hand. I didn't have any problems operating the screw-down crown at the 4 o'clock position with crown guards integrated into the case shape. The case top is brushed with a circular pattern to match the curves of the case. The case edge is polished and should be protected from scratches due to how it angles inwards towards the case back. When I consider what is offered here at $275 US, less on the rubber strap, I think it's a decent value. The 120-click unidirectional dive bezel has a great feel and sound. The Seiko NH35 movement, sapphire crystal, and 200 meters of water resistance ticks all the spec boxes one would want in a micro-brand dive watch, especially if you're looking for a Captain Willard style watch. However, if you're looking for a more luxury dive watch, consider the Blancpain 50 Fathoms that I reviewed in this video. If a field watch is more your style, consider one of the Hamilton field watches I covered in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.